Ki kato kat ni ki kertong ki bayatam tang hapo sanspa woods. Banengkong ide i Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi ibadai naga Raja Bala constituency ibatam tang Shipa woods. Hadinang tapat ngiyo ya i Gawin Miguel Melim ibadai naga Sora constituency ibatam tang Khatsan woods. I Rupa M. Marak ibadai naka Dadengre constituency ila yotam tangkumba Khatpra woods. I Ronnie Willingdo ibadai naka Melim constituency ila yotam tang Laipupra woods ya i kertongka Voice of the People Party ibadai i Dublin F. Lingdo. I Matthew Bionstar Kurba ibadai naka Mauplang constituency ila yotam kumba Chispa South woods. I Remington Gabel Momin ibadai na Rambrai Jerngam constituency ilatam kumba Chispa Shipa woods. Hadinang dapat ni yo isay ni way ibakerteng i Jim M. Sangma ibadai na Rongjeng constituency iniru ilatam kumba Chispa Arthopra woods. I Medba Lingdo ibadai na Kamairang constituency ila yotam tangkumba Chispa Sanposan woods. Pulsangma ibadai ru i ex-chief minister Jongko Mekhalia naka Songsak constituency ila yotam kumba Laispa Nyopuar woods. Iba kaddo ide ini ibala jid Kupar Sindrem ibadai naka Shela constituency iba yotam South Pak Laipus South woods.